Hi there, students. Dormant. Dormant, an adjective. Dormancy, the noun. Okay, if something is dormant, it's not active. It's not growing. It's not in use. It's been inactive for a time. So, for example, many plants become dormant during the winter. And then when spring comes, they start to grow again. And they grow during the summer, and then in autumn they die back, and in winter, again, they are dormant. It has the idea of sleeping. For example, a bank account could be dormant. Yeah, it means it's not being used. No money's going in, no money's going out. It just remains dormant. A volcano could be dormant. So it means it hasn't erupted for a very long time, and there's no smoke or lava, and there's nothing coming out of it. But it has the ability to become active at a later time. Okay, so plants become dormant. A company could become dormant. It doesn't trade. It doesn't do any business. That would be a dormant company. Something can lie dormant. We very often with the verb to lie. Something lies dormant. It's not active. Yeah, lie, lay, lain. So his ability to paint has lain dormant for many years. It's something that he hasn't encouraged. Yeah. Okay, but it could be used at some point in the future. So dormant says that something is not active, but it could happen. It could become be used again in the future. So it's quiet and inactive, as if it was asleep. Okay, perhaps his interest, he had a dormant interest in the subject. He had been interested in the subject, but he didn't do anything about it. Yeah. So a dormant bank account. Seeds are dormant until you give them water. When seeds have water, then they stop being dormant. Yeah, the seeds are dry and in a dormant state, and then you add water and a bit of warmth, and they germinate. Okay, so something that's dormant, it's something that's latent, it's quiescent, it's quiet, it's not doing anything. Okay, so inactive, sleeping, suspended. Yeah, it's not doing anything at the moment. This is the opposite of active. Yeah. But notice, something that's dormant. Yes, I guess if something is dormant, maybe it can come back, but maybe it doesn't as well. Yeah. But I think dormant very commonly for plants. Plants are dormant in winter. Or I'm thinking about the plants in the desert. While it is dry, everything in the desert is dormant, and then it rains, and everything grows suddenly. Okay, let's see. The guy lay dormant on the sofa. I guess you could, asleep, but I think maybe dormant is something that's not active. These characteristics were dormant. Okay, so let's see, formality, dormant. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere, but it's a touch on the formal side. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from Latin, dormiens, from the verb dormio, I sleep. Okay, so something that's dormant is something that's effectively asleep. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dormant Dormancy.